To tell this story, I need to fast forward 3 weeks to today as I'm editing this footage to explain why this is one of the hardest easy walks of my life. I've always wanted to go to Makara, the most rugged and arguably the most spectacular views in Wellington. Like they say, you can't beat Wellington on a good day. It's just that perhaps there aren't as many good days in Wellington as we would like. Here's the time I actually made it, and also why I almost didn't. I set the date for April the 25th, Anzac Day. The weather forecast looked good. Everything looked like it was falling into place, but right then, I didn't know that my body had other ideas. Right now, when I'm editing this video, the date is May the 18th, and the last 2 weeks have been a complete haze, just getting by and coping on a moment-to-moment basis. I went to the doctors this week and they said I most likely had either pneumonia or whooping cough, also known as pertussis. They sent me for a chest x-ray and other tests and started some treatment then. I didn't know back on April 25th that I was in the early stages of whatever it is that I have now, and now it's confirmed I have whooping cough and it's going to take 1 to 3 months to recover. So now I know why I found the climb so hard and why I nearly didn't make it at all. Oi, that was an unexpectedly steep climb. Worth it though. Check this out. I might just do a motion lapse up here whilst I'm here, because it would be a shame to waste this view, believe me. Oh, just give me a second and I'll get to this high point. Ah, there we go. That time lapse done. Let's pack up all the kit and get up that hill. Well, Makara Beach has the reputation of being a rough and ready kind of windy place, but the people I've met here today said that they've never known it as unwindy, if that's a word, as it has been here today. So I've been pretty lucky. It is an amazing view up here. I wouldn't have liked to try to get up here in a gusty northerly though. It's a pretty narrow track. It's not that hard, but there are some moments there. This is fantastic. I love it here. If you ever get the chance, if you're in Wellington, it's 30 minutes out of the CBD. It's just amazing. And if you're lucky enough to get an unwindy day like it is today, well, you just got to go.
I'm done for the day. So thank you for letting me take you around Makara Beach. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like this video, found it useful, helpful, entertaining at all, and if you don't want to miss any more of my new videos. Thanks again for watching. See ya.